study EVS 4th chapter Flowers and Colors. So, I am your new science teacher. So, we study in 4th chapter Flowers and Colors. So, have you seen any flower? Children, you know any flower? Some, yeah, you know some rose, lotus, jasmines, then dahlia, you know dahlia, so etc. So in our nature there are different flowers, different kind of flowers are there. So each and every flower have a different colors and different shapes will be there. So in this class we study what is flowers and what are the colors of a flowers. Okay, so open your textbook. A teacher asked to student, "Oh, there is a good fragrance in this room." What is this? Fragrance. Fragrance. What is this fragrance? That means the smell of the flower. So teacher told there is a good smell in a flower. So that means the flower gives fragrance. What is this? Flower gives fragrance. So, have you smelled some flowers? Which you like flower smell is very good and very beautiful? Yeah. Someone has a jasmine, someone has some lilies, and someone has a lotus, etc. So, we study in this class what is flowers and what are the colors of the flowers. Okay. On a lovely morning, open your textbook. On a lovely morning, many girls in the school had plaited their hair and were jasmine flowers. But they were jasmine flowers. Teacher said there is a good fragrance. I told, right? The good fragrance in the classroom. So where is the fragrance occur? From flower. So flower gives fragrance. The student said there is a jasmine flower. Which flower? Jasmine flower. Yeah. That time teacher tell in summer there is a jasmine. What is student? Summer there is a jasmine. Then in rainy season there is a dahlia, and winter season there is a chrysanthemum. These are different flowers in a different seasons. So what we study? There are different flowers are there in a different seasons. Okay. So there is one activity. Children, you see that? Yeah. So you know different type of flowers. Can you tell? Yeah. Now you heard jasmine. Jasmine. So this is name of flower. Second column is plant or tree or bush. So jasmine is a tree or plant? Yeah, the jasmine is plant. Next, which season they will available? Which season? Yeah, the season is summer. Summer. Children, see properly. Then where we use the jasmine flower? To what? To what? In hair. Okay, we use the hair as jasmine flower. Then next one is a color. Next one is color. What is the color of jasmine? The jasmine color is white. Jasmine color is white. So can you give any flowers? Name of flowers? Yeah. All of favorite is rose. So rose, where it occur? Plant, tree or bush? It occur in plant. Then what is the season? The season is also summer. Where we use in decoration. Decoration. Shun. What is color of rose? Yeah, many colors are there. The main rose color is red. Which color? Red. So, in your notebook, you do or 5 to 6 flower name and plant or tree, which plant or tree and which season they are available and the uses of that flower and the color. What are the color? Then name of flower, plant or tree, which season they are available and the uses of that flower. So you know that in our surrounding there several flowers are there. Someone you didn't know your name, you will ask with your parents. So you ask with your parents, they will suggest you what is the name of flower, which season they will grow, etc. Okay. So now is known what is flower. So here I draw one small flower. So in this flower they have a 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 types of this like structure, right? This is structure. So this we called as a, what is this? Petals. What we call? Petals. Petals. So how many petals are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this flower has a 4 petals. How many petals? 4 petals. So one tree. Next one. Teacher, the page number 35. Teacher said, come let's go nearby garden, get introduced to a variety of flowers, but no one should pick. So have you gone any garden or any park? Yeah. So in our near places there is lot of gardens are there. Or in front of our home there will be garden is there. So the garden have a many types or many different colors of flowers are there. Someone is pink, someone is red, someone purple, someone blue, someone white. So different color of flowers are there. So they go garden. Hasina said, oh, so many flowers blossoms. Blossom means the flower is get grown. That if a flower is starting stage is like this. So this is a lotus flower, small lotus flower. When it grow up, its blossom, there will be a swell. Now araduvudu anta heltevalla. So this is. So it's a small flower is to get grown up. It's a blossoms. Blossoms. Then we use a different type of flowers which are available in our near places. Right? Where they go? They grow a garden. So they look 3 or more flowers and different colors and different shape. So some student tell Nagaraj there are flowers which are live in water. Where they live? Live in water. Which flower are there in water? The main is lotus. Have you seen lotus? Children, have you seen? Yeah. The lotus is the main color. Is a pink. This is like shape of lotus. Lotus, which are in water. So this lotus is our national flower. The India's national flower is lotus. Okay, have you both got this? Next, if you go any market, shop, which market? Flower market, right? So you want to buy some flower. If you like some jasmine, how you buy? Can you give any jasmine flower? They give 1 or 2? No, right? There is a measurement with it. The flower measurement is in a cubit length. Which measurement? Cubit length. which means flower measured through which the flower is measured through a cubit length. What is mean by cubit length? The cubit length means 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. That means 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. What is 1 yard? This is full arm. 1, 2 hands. This is 1 yard. The 1 yard is equal to 4 cubit length. Then what is the length of cubit? This. From tip of finger to this. This is 1 cubit length. They will weigh flower through this cubit length. So this is a informal measurement. There is no perfect measure. No scale. Scale will be there. No. So this is informal way of measurement. The measurement is informal. So we know the flowers, the types. There is a different flowers, then petals, then we have natural flowers, then measurement of flowers. Next, where we use the flowers? Where we use? If we go market, I told flower market. If you buy a 2 cubit length, this price is some 10 to 20 rupees. If nowadays it's very costly a flower, so 10 to 20 rupees flower will give. So 1 cubit length gives it or 10 rupees. Here Shahina's father is a flower. Father is a flower, buys flower from the market. Right? So Shahina's father has a flower stall. They buy a flower from the market. What they do? They sell any flower to customer through by a cubit length. Cubit length for a 10 rupees. Which rupees? How many rupees? 10 rupees. So these formal, it is an informal measurement. This measurement useful to people which they can easily measure the flower length. So how the flowers will be? They can market. When we purchase a market flower, they will be stringed. We should string the flower. What happens when string the flower? So many flowers. If I string this type of flower, it's a one flower. When we string, there will join too many flowers. You know how to string the flower? So this is the way the string of the flower. So we string like this. So we know how string the flower. The teacher said that we use flowers in so many ways. So many different ways. Where we use in a place of their hair. So weaver hair. Which flower weaver? Do you know, children? Yeah, weaver. Someone has jasmine, rose, etc. So we use in a pujas. Any puja we use a flower. Next, we use in some decorations. Some decoration. Your decoration of your home, decoration of your garden, etc. We use flowers. Then where we use pookalam. You know pookalam, we do some art through a petals of a flower. Like if we take this flower, we do this like shape. This is flower. Then we do another flower in this, and we create some designs. We use some art through flowers. So we use many different work or different functions we use in flowers. So where we grow the flowers? We grow the flowers in home or in park, garden, school. Where we use garden, home, park, etc. So where we use flower design. You Yeah, the shape of flower is like a flower design. Where we use in flower design some dress or some blanket, then shawls, etc. So each and every metal we use in flower design because this is very beautiful and it gives very look design, very nice design to us. So children, in this class we studies what are the flowers, how types of flowers are there, what are the colors of flowers are there, then what is petals, what are our national flower, how we measure the flower, is a cubit length, where we use the flowers, then how we grow, where we'll grow the flowers. So you understood? Yeah. Next class we study next chapter of this class. So I will end up this class. If you have any doubt, if you didn't understood, I will explain